Hello people, in this lecture I will be teaching you if I want to display multiple view models, if I want, in this example, I want to display a user and its products in the view. So I just created a user products VM and a product VM. If you see it right here, I just create a simple product VM with just one property called name. And then I created another VM called user products. And this user products will have a user appended to it and a list of product. In the controller, I created an action called my products and create my silly, just an example with just two products and a user called me, created the user products VM and return the view with my view model. I'm sorry for just showing you. I was coding it along with the recording, but I didn't realize that I wasn't recording. So my bad. And I will not rewrite this. So I'm just showing you. Let's create as details, but you'll see that DotNet Core is not that powerful to understanding that I want to display just my user and the list of products. And it cannot predict all kinds of view models, so just a list or a simple view model, and ASP.NET will create the template. But this template is enough to start coding. Here, I just want to show the details of my user. So let's get the details here, copying it, and in my products. Those are other tabs. But here, you can see my model does not have a property called name. To reach my user, I have to call model.user.name. So like this, you can have multiple models in your application. And to display the list of products, we could get the users table. Let's take the users table. Let's just delete it. Here in the table, we cannot have this, so just have name. There must be an empty header because the last column has this 3 links. And then here, model is not a list. Model is an user products VM. I can call model.products. And here we just have the name. Let's see it in practice. Here, if I call home slash my products, here you can see the name of my user and its products. In the real world, we can see it like this. In an endpoint like this, we would have an user ID, and I would be getting this user in the database by his ID, getting his data, and then after that, I would call the database, the repository again, getting its products, and then I would be creating a view model like this and sending it to a user. Can you see how powerful this is? If you can't, one day you'll see that. And another thing that I want to teach you, if view data, I will teach you in the next lecture. If I say my layout is null, if I reload my page, now the layout with the bootstrap, with the navigation is gone. And that was what I wanted to teach you. See you again in the next lecture.